I left my money. exactly. Just a boy, but I'm paying Monday and we're in Monday. Another jackal. And the enemy kids are welcome. Anyone who says, I know waste me. And then I be red of where I don't want to stop to local book. I'm not at any about in pine. If it that you ask, if you ask, the command now, I'm right here, and wasn't enough. And it's about. Oh, you go back to Oh, tu dois bien, tu dois bien, ini anabe nenjimo ekura lede ama na yake ni fama lede nenjimo anechina yasa anye kampanya yakabwan nenjimo atadina nya abodedom nyene atadi ani mobili aleta ana wonya obroni aseju America nenjimo anabe anabeji masoyima etu yake awusu ekuro etu apoya emrante nenjimo atari yerumo eja eni abwa mamba ababa boya emrante ababa fiako biemo mani jiba suru emrante ibaba se ni wacho mu oju achama ture abbe na ababa boya iba na kro awe na wo china no wo se akenya saba baba baba mama suama iyeri nenjimo eni enumode eni asan ni ekwele besimo eni ngbaso nenye ibamu ngbaso aswa asabutwa ife ngbaso nimo atani akure asebeja se awusuama ibe wo atani abo and yes, some somewhere. Mom no na be jansa. Iba ba. Na usu. Ibe yeli. Isi abraka. Ani nuwa. Na usu. Badi ala nide. Eso ne njimo. Odu abio. Ata do ayo kwamra kono. Obroso. Awusu. Yake. Uwasi. Anta. Ne njimo. Askonso na be. Ale besi wanande. Nyasa atu aso. Niwe yete. Esa kukwa. Ebusuani. Na ya. Aja. Awo Amalia Abuja say Awusiama Iwaso Amalia Ayaba prayer Aja Kangami Mada Oroma Sumoti Mada Oroma Amaya Akukwaje Odia Sionso Abrafo Alaba Sombra Wontu Achia Momukra
I don't want to get you on about it. Yeah. We'll talk after I to clean up. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
The overlord to develop a plan of action as to what we want to do. But right now, I'm just trying to take it all in. It was a momentous occasion for me. And as I sit down and talk with the chief and see what all is needed for the people and the community, I will go from there to devise a plan of action and put my priorities in place to see what is needed first so that it is not all over the place. I have to come back and spend time in the community and with the people to see what they need. So it is not what I think should come first. I need to know what they feel needs to come first. So if I'm going to be a queen of the people, I have to be with the people, by the people, for the people, to be of the people. So, you know, development is a big title. It's a big community. So I need to really take my time and see what's truly needed. I do know that education is very important. I'm a student of knowledge, and I want to increase the educational level. I know that roads are very important. I know that water is very important. And I know that infrastructure is very important. So with all of that, I want to keep God first. God is very important. So with God first and ordering my steps, I will get with the people to see what they need, and we'll go from there. Yes, I am. You know, every small step is a big step. You know, you have to take one step at a time to achieve. You know, if you look at your hand, you know, the hand is only as strong as all the fingers on it, you know. So every little step we take will increase our boundaries, our growth. So we have to go a little bit at a time to increase our destiny and our journey. So I want to go small to increase the expansiveness of where we can get to together. You know, we can't get there by ourselves, but together we can make a great difference.
Okay, so we know you lived all your life in the States, and for the first time being crowned as the Nkosohimia in Edukro. Do you think the cultural differences will be a problem?
No, because, you know, being black in America is being black all over the world. You know, I face the same struggles there that you face here. You know, it's no difference. Cultural diversity is diversity everywhere, you know, so I enjoy being here more than I enjoy being there, because at least when I wake up over here, I see myself. You know, so I'm going to try to spend as much time here as I possibly can. I'm going to build a house here so that I can spend at least 6 months of the year here. You know, because over there, you know, I'm black 365 days of the year. I can't take this off and hang it up in the closet when it's uncomfortable. Being black here, I can be myself, you know, because every day I get to see myself, you know, so it's a wonderful thing to be able to do that. You know, I don't have to fight to be me when I'm over here. Over there, you gotta fight to be yourself over there, because they feel entitled and privileged on an everyday basis, where it's normalcy. And it's hard sometimes for them to give you the respect that you deserve. And I'm kind of tired of it, to be honest. So, you know, respect should be given as well as reciprocated. You know what I'm saying? So it's a wonderful thing to feel the power and the freedom to just be black. So I don't always say I'm an African American. I'm just an American that happens to be black.
So I just want to ask, what would you tell those back home, blacks, living in America? What would you say to them, the words to them, if they want to trace their lineage back home? Because there are people, that's why we did the Beyond the Return. There are people over there who want to trace their lineage back home. Now you're here. What do you want to say to them?
You know, I took the Ancestry.com, Black Ancestry, not just Ancestry.com, so I could see where my lineage came from. And I traced all the way back to Sierra Leone. And I'm 100% Mindy. So I'm gonna go all the way to Sierra Leone and find my great-grandmother's roots. So my percentage came back 100%. So I'm 100% African. You know, so they need to do that to find out what tribe they came from. And I know that my grandmother had to cross the grounds of Ghana because that's where the ships took out. So, you know, I'm finding my way home, so I feel at home over here. And I suggest that all of them in America find where they came from. So quit saying you're African American and find out what tribe you came from. So that you can say you're African something that lives in America. My full name is Nana Abina Amin King.
Okay, Madam Ase, Madam Atia Fonso. They say, Mobisa Assembly, National Commission of Culture. I share me and Nyama, ambassador for culture for Ghana. And to be mandate in this, promote to Ghana culture, both for Ghana and the diaspora. Now, you must say a lot of black Americans. Oman and Nanum, no, I had no winner free. Now, and then, Omako Kabuch and the president, Ayan Shishe, say, Ombesan, Abba, Oman Wemu, and Ghana, they should relocate and find their roots. And intimate I am manage, say, Mesho Mukran say, Umbeba back to where they truly belong. And Intina. Na chibi no mo ayo mo me hima pontin dom hima ene nyame adom yenya don kimba se wa prince oba be yenkoso hima e wadukuru na okre me buta ene se me show mo kura ama bebre aba be ka ho emano ba me de man so beba na mo ba no omo beboa say omano mpuntu ebekoso omo betimi achichiri adwuma omo de adwuma ba rantie na maba benya biaye omo nso ebe take up projects say educational project ni ama ebeboa omo bakra no be see dan wa ha na omo be property wa ha eboa omano to enhance the architectural beauty of the place na the crack say, you per se, yes, share. Yenu no money, your papa no money, mamma no mine, or my kama no neno. Yes, show mon cry, Jap president, but I am so. Namuba, Omuba locate your roots. Umba, the chum say, Bejoma, where to Omuba, Betinam by the Atra. Na Omonso Maniaje. President will mission say this year. 2 million tourists of person ever Ghana. Now, I'm going to increase it to our national budget stock. And it is as culture ambassadors, and you have what they say, you have a crow moon. I'm an unable to be bring back on my own person better, you have a baby, you have a passer, you have a woman integrity. Now, oh my Ghana, so far not to my papa friend. They were catch a Ghana for say, microphone bad. Who I come before someone on better. Ghana for be bring of phone bar, no more discuss so much trouble. Where's my Messica, where's you say? Confidence tricksters, on Pequa on Befab so adada omaji omusika ntantem na bekono no mu say they've given them a rod here. Because brochira nsema abrofone bi in America for Canada for UK for ebinum aba Africa some of experiences omushiano eya na ya honete go mu fi say ye frosters and e wa ha na ye pe omusika dikeke emere na so say e say show ye chesu bampa e de mo na che o say yenso ye ni papa yeah, prepare say bejo ma wa tu na omo ba be investment mu wa ha e be bo mine e be bo aye mabunu na mrante ne maba no manya dwuma ye afutu amede ma omo no say omo meje tatel no say yesi ne hima yesi ne hini no mo fa nkotra brochire no mo omo yemfi Africa ye pese omo bo no mbeboa na economy ne ye na ye mamu no so enya dwuma ye anything na ye show mo sa no nyama amoma hindi me de me catch rom say wo magi sa de wo nkotra abrochire mfa nsa show dem refam ye ma tata so yo hima e wa ha bra oman bra Africa na nso beboa de o pese obetimi aye be ye na fa boa society no be nyina ye nkoye ni